Good morning from the Riparian Preserve in Gilbert. Built in '99, this gym makes up 70 acres of water. It has over 298 species of birds, and there's 4.5 miles of trails. The 7 ponds allow the local city to recharge the aquifer here and actually provide all sorts of habitat for fish and wildlife. They have a paleontology dig site, gardens for hummingbirds, they got butterfly gardens, an observatory on a hill, and so much to do. Having heard so much about the park, we're really looking forward to experiencing some of the trails, getting out and checking out the different ponds, the bird blinds, and just doing some exploring. This is the time of year where we get so excited in Arizona. It's so gorgeous out, such an opportunity to get out and enjoy it. Check out that palm tree, it looks like Cousin It. But seriously, we were really impressed with the wildflowers and the vegetation. The trails themselves were well kept, and it was amazing to think that you're right off the main road there. Lots of photo opportunities, and water everywhere. Photographers were everywhere out there, taking pictures of birds, getting close to wildlife. We rounded a corner, and we ran into the Gilbert Rotary Centennial Observatory. The area is used for local schools, for field trips, and they teach classes about astronomy.
Bouncy, bouncy. Mom's right behind my head. I'm filming me filming.
These large stand of saguaro cactus were impressive. Great photo op. There were hikers and families celebrating, dog walkers everywhere. It was really picturesque. This bridge led back across the main pond. Some little guys out there on the rocks just sunning themselves and having a good time relaxing in the early morning sun. Some of them lifting legs, balancing on 2 legs. It was so cute to see. Just enjoying the early spring weather.
These turtles are everywhere.
After the morning hike, we're gonna head out, go get us some So Delicious, and enjoy the rest of our day.